I transformed my face from this to that within just 7 days. Hey, Glow family, struggling with pimple like what I experienced some months ago? Tried everything, but nothing seems to work. Well, what if I told you there is this powerful remedy that can be your skin best friend and it's very less expensive? Stick around till the end of this video because I will reveal to you what I use in transforming my face from this to that. It is the best remedy for faster results. Let's get into it. Pimples are inflamed clogged hair follicle caused by excess sebum, that is oil, and dead skin cells. Pimple can be triggered by bacteria, fungi, hormonal imbalance, and stress. White hairs, black hairs, purple, cysts, and pustules are examples of pimples. You see, with the case of pimple, sometimes you see some kind of pimple on your fellow face and you kind of feel shy for the person. Not only that, you also feel that this person is so shy and it has even gone far affecting this person's image. Don't worry, I have been there before, so I know how it feels. You have tried all the recommended creams, balms, and the truth is, you realize that it ended up worsening the case. That is what I experienced. The reason why you see my face like this. At this point of my life, I have tried every cream, every roadside cream that was recommended. You buy this one, the next day, no, this one is not good. I use this and then it helped me. And you are right there. Just because you want to have a clear skin or a nicer face. Don't worry, this remedy I'm about to reveal to you will do the work faster, clear all your pimples within just 7 days. Sulfur is a natural antibacterial and antifungal woman. It destroys your acne-causing bacteria and fungi and also prevents new breakouts. As it clears your current pimple, it also makes sure that none other pimple or acne comes on your face. It is surprising to know some people don't even know some pimples are caused by bacteria, whilst others are caused by fungi, not forgetting pimples due to stress or hormonal imbalance. You know something? You'll be wasting your time and destroying your skin barrier if you don't know what exactly is causing your pimple. So, you might be using antifungi for a bacteria-causing pimple and vice versa. So, do you think in this situation, your pimple will be cleared? No. And the sad part is, all these creams will end up bleaching your skin, exposing your pimple or your acne, or making it more prominent, just like mine. Incorrect pimple treatment can further lead to stubborn hyperpigmentation, skin burns, and pores. This is the more reason why you need to be extra careful when you are dealing with pimple or treating your pimples. Knowing the exact microbes that is causing your pimple or knowing the causative agent of your pimple is very important. This simply means that you are halfway through treating your pimple. So, sulfur has an antibacterial and an antifungal properties, making it the best choice for treating both bacterial pimple and fungi pimple. If you have no clue or idea of what is causing your pimple, don't worry, I'll make a full video on that. So make sure you stick around the Lab Doctors channel. So make sure you kindly click on the subscribe button, like our video, share, and hit on the notification button so that anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. These are some of the secret things most people do not know about sulfur. Sulfur exfoliates your skin and control oil in your skin, making it the best option for oil skin girlies. It also helps to remove dead skin cells that clog pores, causing or leading to pimples and blackheads. This is what it does. It reduces redness and calms down swelling or inflammation that is associated with acne, leading to faster healing. Before I start with this particular remedy, I just want you to know that this is best for natural people, those who do not want to add any chemicals on their skin. So stay tuned. Garlic mask is what I am talking about and I personally recommend. Yes, the very garlic in your kitchen, the spice you use in cooking your delicious meal. It contains sulfur, which has an antibacterial and antifungal property. Don't worry, I will teach you how to do this garlic mask at the comfort of your home. Yes, I know you have numerous questions to ask, especially the harsh nature of garlic. Don't worry, that is dealt with already. Ground or blend your garlic into paste, or you can go in for the powdered form and add water. This is how to add the water. When you blend a clove of garlic, make sure to add 0.5 ml of water. After adding the water, get a clean container with a wide opening that you can easily put your application stick or your finger. After putting your garlic paste in your container, which is a clean container, make sure to freeze it for 12 to 24 hours. I hope you heard that right. Freeze it for 12 to 24 hours. What is the reason behind you freezing your garlic paste mask? You are freezing it because you want to reduce its harsh nature. Freezing it for 12 to 24 hours will help reduce its harsh nature, but still maintain the sulfur content you have in there, the most important. After your 24-hour storage, you can start using your garlic paste or mask and apply on your face. Leave it for at least 5 minutes and gently wash it with warm water or fresh water. With this remedy, you need to be very consistent. It should be done early in the morning and in the evening before bed. And see the difference it will make on your pimple and on your face in overall. It will leave you with a smooth, glossy, glass skin. So are you ready to soften your face to a clear and clean skin? Drop your like and kindly hit on the subscribe button. Make sure to share this video to anyone who needs it. This is the Lab Doctors channel. Till we meet again.